Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan Spotify code. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your friend has sent you a Spotify code since they want to share a music with you or any kind of a playlist with you, then you need to go scan the Spotify code in order to find out what your friend has been playing through. So in order to do that, tap open your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged in first. Make sure that you have the code ready that you want to scan as well. From the main homepage of Spotify, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen, and in the search bar, you'll be able to see a camera icon located at the upper right. Give it a tap and this will open up your camera. All you need to do now is to point your camera at the Spotify code that you received from your friends, just like that. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to scan the music or a playlist that your friend was trying to share with you. That is how you can easily scan your Spotify code, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.